Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back again to Know Max TV. In this video I'm going to show you one of the AI side hustle strategy you can use to make money online. So if you are using the internet and you have your laptop, maybe you have a mobile phone, you can be able to use this strategy and be able to make money online. So let's suppose that you're gonna be producing 10 works. So let me see if we can be able to produce the production 20 USD, and also you are able to produce 50 production. So that means 50 production. So you are gonna be making 1000 so USD, maybe per day, maybe per week. It depends on how you promoted your services to reach out to the clients. So let's suppose that you're gonna be also producing the production or the work per 50 USD, and you are required to produce 20 productions so that you can be able to make this amount of 1000 USD. So what you need to do, you need to ensure that you promote these services to the clients, and you also ensure that you provide the quality services to the clients so that they will keep coming back to your platform. They will keep coming back to purchase your services. In this video I'm going to show you this strategy and show you where you can set these productions for how you can be having done it. So this AI strategy or AI side hustle strategy is called voiceover. So when we talk about voiceover, this is the context where you need to be adding voices to the someone is creative. So that means someone might have created have script or might have created different things, and you want to be adding voiceover on her professional video. So what you need to do, you need to ensure that you do it professionally, and also you need to be ensured that you use the language that he has provided to you. For instance, if you want to be using AI, you can be coming here and click voiceover or voice maker. If you click voice maker, you're going to be seeing this one, voicemaker.in. You can be starting from here. This is free. This is free of cost, and from here you can be generating different scripts. So the script you have to generate here is going to be from, let me again use AI as ChatGPT to generate the script. ChatGPT. So I'm gonna be generating a script. So the script is gonna be from ChatGPT. I'm gonna be asking ChatGPT to generate the script about social media management. So I have to ask it to give me one paragraph about social media management. So as you see, this is a script. So I have generated it in the way I want, but for you, if you're gonna be creating your voiceover video, you're gonna be also ensuring that you provide different prompts. Depends on how you wanna be you want your video to be displaying or to be animating. So the rhythm or algorithm you want your video to be in. So after this, I'm gonna be coming here and click on paste. So you see these the content I have to paste. However, this because it's free, I have to use only 250 characters. So this means that I cannot go beyond this one, and also because I'm using a free, I can start using this one, and after that I come back and use add another one until my video is done. But if you are able to pay, you can be able to pay. Also, if not, you can be finding out other AI or voiceover or text to speech tools that can be helping you to convert your script into this voice. So what I need to do, I need to click here on convert speech. So after converting the speech, it is gonna be already downloaded, and also this I can be change the language. This one I can click here and change it. You can see now this is my voice. So what I need to do, I need to download it here. So after downloading it here, I can be able to go and use my editing tools such as Wondershare, Filmora, and others, and also be able to obtain the accurate video which is generated from AI script, and also AI text-to-speech tools or AI voiceover. So after having this done, you can be also able to do it into someone's video. Maybe the client might provide you with a script, and you want a voiceover. Maybe the client might provide you with some context of the content he has already created, or he or she wants, and also she wants you to be creating a voiceover for him or her. What you need to do, you need to always consider the situation, the conditions that the person has provided to you, and also be able to generate it. So after having made it, or after having edited it in your video editor, you can be able to use it on your phone and edit it. You have to come here to this platform and be able to set it. So what you need to do, you need to come here and type Fiverr. So now if I type Fiverr, I'm gonna see that I'm gonna see this a platform where different talents can go and says their skills by ensuring that they provide different projects to the clients. What I need to do, I need to click here on Fiverr. So after clicking on Fiverr, this is gonna be opening. So what you see here is that you see they say welcome back. So you can see if I type maybe voiceover, this is my search is gonna be bringing the clients or the talents who are doing this. So now after clicking on this, you can see I will record an American made voiceover for your company. User are from S150 per 200 words, and also I will professionally voice over and record your presentation. I will record professional British female voiceover. These you can see all those are people are doing this, and you can see they are making a lot of money as well. You can see one, this is the top rated. So this is top rated, which is called 200 USD per 150 words. So you can be able to come here and also come with your voiceover skills or strategy. If you are trusting how you can be able to do it using AI, then also come and also be able to set your project here and also be able to make money as well. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.